Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Iron Fist in Marvel Rivals on PS5. Iron Fist is a powerful brawler who excels in close quarters combat. You'll learn his basic attacks, how to build and spend Kai, and his core special abilities. Mastering his rhythm is key to unleashing devastating combos and controlling the battlefield. Get ready to punch your way to victory with the living weapon. To dominate with Iron Fist, focus on chaining your light and heavy attacks. Start with quick jabs, then follow up with a heavy strike to stun opponents. Utilize his special abilities, like the Iron Fist Punch, to pierce through shields or deal burst damage. Always aim for critical hits to maximize your damage per second and quickly eliminate threats. Iron Fist isn't just about offense. His defense and mobility are crucial. Use your dodge to evade enemy attacks and your block to mitigate damage. Don't forget his aerial capabilities. Jumping and dashing midair can help you reposition or escape dangerous situations. Mastering these movements will keep you alive and in the fight longer. For advanced play, focus on precise Kai management. Save your powerful Kai abilities for opportune moments, like breaking a tank's shield or finishing off a low-health enemy. Learn to recognize enemy attack patterns to effectively counter them. Finally, communicate with your team to set up powerful synergy attacks, turning the tide of any battle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.